If you think cruising is all about relaxation and unlimited food, think again. Because cruise lines have 13 sneaky ripoffs waiting to drain your wallet before you even notice.
Number 13. Overpriced Wi-Fi packages, expanded version. Let's start with something every cruiser complains about: Wi-Fi. Cruise lines know you can't survive without internet, so they charge premium prices for some of the slowest Wi-Fi you will ever experience. And here's the funny part. Even after paying $20 to $30 per day, you still struggle to load a simple web page. Forget streaming, forget video calls. Sometimes even a basic message takes forever to send. Most new cruisers purchase the full speed package because they're afraid of being disconnected. But what they don't realize is many cruise lines offer cheaper social media-only plans that work perfectly fine for messaging apps. Plus, almost every port has cafes with fast, totally free internet. So before you buy the ship's expensive Wi-Fi plan, ask yourself, do I actually need premium internet, or am I just scared of missing out? Because trust me, the cruise line is counting on that fear.
Number 12. The Specialty Coffee Trap, expanded version. The smell of fresh espresso, the stylish cafe, the long line of passengers holding lattes, it all seems harmless, right? Except specialty coffee on cruise ships is one of the easiest ways to waste money without realizing it. Cruise lines place these cafes in high traffic areas so you see them every time you walk by. You think, there's no way ship coffee tastes good, so you buy a $6 mocha, then a $7 cold brew, then another. But what most passengers forget is this: regular drip coffee, tea, and sometimes even cappuccinos are already free in the buffet and dining rooms. You're basically paying premium cafe prices for branding, not better coffee. Over a week-long cruise, this tiny habit can cost you $60 to $120 just on coffee. And trust me, ship coffee isn't that bad. You just have to know where to find the good ones. Number 11. Expensive cruise excursions, expanded version. Excursions are where the real money disappears, and most people don't even notice. Cruise lines have mastered the art of convincing you that booking through them is the safe option. They say things like, "You'll only be guaranteed back on time if you book with us," or "Our partners are certified and reliable." But here's the truth. Local tour companies in most ports offer the exact same activities, sometimes with the same guides, for 30% to 60% less. Want to swim with dolphins, hike waterfalls, explore ruins, snorkel reefs? Local companies often pick you up right at the port, drive you to the same attractions, and return you even earlier than cruise tours. The only real benefit of booking through the cruise line is convenience. But convenience comes at a premium, and for a family of 4, that premium can easily hit $300 to $500 extra.
Number 10. Bottled water and soda packages, expanded version. Here's something cruise lines don't advertise loudly. Many allow you to bring sealed bottled water, soft drinks, or juice boxes on board. Yet passengers still buy overpriced water packages from the ship. A simple pack of 12 or 24 bottles can cost you anywhere from $20 to $40 on board. The same pack costs $3 at a normal store. And soda packages? They look tempting, unlimited refills. But in reality, you're drinking more soda on a cruise than you ever would at home, simply because you feel obligated to use the package. Most passengers end the cruise saying, "I didn't even drink half of what I paid for." Don't fall into the trap.
Number 9. The Spa Upsell Strategy, expanded version. Ah, the spa. Dim lights, relaxing music, essential oils, and the promise of perfect relaxation.
You walk in thinking you'll treat yourself to a massage. What could go wrong? Well, the cruise spa business model has two parts. Charge a high price for the treatment, upsell expensive products afterward. After your massage, the therapist gently tells you that your muscles are tight, your skin is dry, your stress is high, and you absolutely need these special oils, creams, or balms. Each product costs $60 to $120. A $150 massage quickly becomes a $350 bill. And they make you feel guilty if you say no. Don't fall for it. Enjoy the treatment, skip the sales pitch, walk out relaxed and smart.
Number 8. Photo packages you don't need, expanded version. Cruise photographers are everywhere, literally everywhere. At dinner, by the stairs, on the deck, by the pool. And they take absolutely stunning pictures because that's the trap. Later, you walk past the photo gallery and see yourself looking like a movie star. You think, wow, that's actually kind of nice. Except it's $25 for a single printed photo and $200 for a digital package. The funniest part, most people snap hundreds of photos on their own phones anyway. So why pay premium prices for 1 or 2 pictures you didn't even plan to take?
Number 7. Art auctions on a cruise ship expanded version. This one sounds classy. Art auctions on a cruise ship. Guests sip free champagne, music is playing, and the auctioneer hypes up every piece as if it belongs in a museum. But here's the hidden truth. Much of the art is mass-produced, and the prices are inflated to look like you're getting a rare deal. The champagne is free because it lowers your guard. The emotional pitch creates urgency. People end up spending hundreds, sometimes thousands on artwork they later regret buying. Unless you're an experienced collector, skip the auction. It's designed to make money off impulse buyers.
Number 6. The free room service fee, expanded version. Many cruise lines advertise free room service. But when you open the fine print, surprise, delivery fees, convenience charges, or late-night fees pop up. Ordering a simple sandwich or pizza can cost you $5 to $7 just for delivery. And after 10 p.m., the fees often increase. Instead of paying extra, use the buffet or grab snacks from the cafe. They're already included. Room service sounds luxurious, but the hidden charges aren't worth it. Number 5. Charging for basic drinks, expanded version. This one shocks first-time cruisers. Not all drinks are free. That glass of fresh orange juice? Extra. That special iced tea? Extra. Some dining rooms even upcharge for milkshakes or premium hot chocolate. If you're not careful, you can rack up a surprise drink bill bigger than your bar tab. Always check what's included. Most cruise lines offer free water, lemonade, regular coffee, tea, and some juices.
Number 4. The photo upload Wi-Fi scam, expanded version. Cruise lines got creative. They split the Wi-Fi into multiple tiers: basic, premium, streaming, social, photo upload. But here's what they don't say. Many basic plans already allow photo uploads. You don't need the premium plan to send vacation pictures to your family. This trick works because many passengers assume premium equals better, when in reality, they're paying more for nothing. Number 3. Overpriced onboard shops, expanded version. Need sunscreen? $25. Need toothpaste? $8. Need flip-flops? $40. Onboard shops know you have limited options, so prices skyrocket. These stores are convenient, but extremely expensive. Always bring basics from home, especially essentials like medication, chargers, swimwear, and toiletries. Otherwise, be prepared to pay double or triple the normal cost.
Number 2. The all-inclusive drink package trap, expanded version. Drink packages feel like the ultimate vacation upgrade. Unlimited cocktails, mocktails, sodas, juices, coffee, everything. But the math doesn't lie. To break even, you must drink 8 to 12 alcoholic drinks every single day. Most people think they'll drink a lot, but after day 2, they slow down. Suddenly, that $70 per day package doesn't feel so unlimited anymore. Unless you're a heavy daily drinker or traveling with a group that likes to party hard, drink packages simply aren't worth it.
Number 1. The Casino Free Drinks Illusion, expanded version. Casinos at sea look fun. Flashing lights, loud slots, free drinks. But here's the truth no one tells you. Free drinks are only free if you gamble long enough to earn them. Many passengers chase casino points hoping for free cocktails or vouchers, but in the process, they lose hundreds. The casino always wins, and that one free drink ends up being the most expensive cocktail you'll ever have.
Cruising should feel relaxing, not like you're getting nickel and dimed at every turn. By avoiding these 13 cruise ripoffs, you'll not only save hundreds of dollars, you'll enjoy your vacation the way it was meant to be. Stress-free, fun, and full of unforgettable moments. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and drop a comment telling me which ripoff surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.